Just to be clear, Elmo wants Team USA to win, okay?
Elmo seems to have learned his lesson after his NBA Finals tweet caused a firestorm on the internet.
But Elmo loves everybody. Just to be clear. Don't make this a thing.
New York Knicks fans weren't happy over the encouraging message the Sesame Street character recently posted about the Knicks and the Spurs. Despite Elmo announcing his allegiance to Team USA, some sports fans don't seem to have forgiven him just yet.
Elmo loves you, and Elmo loves you, and Elmo loves you, and Team USA, and everybody who's playing.